Previous year Xiaomi launched Xiaomi Mi 5X in China and they just simply changed the name to Xiaomi Mi A1 and they launched the device in India. Both are same device. And this year they are going to launch Xiaomi Mi 6X in China and do the same thing. They will change the name to Xiaomi Mi A2 and they will launch the device in India. So friends, I am Shobikos from 1 Million Gadgets and today in this video I am going to talk about Xiaomi Mi A2's features, specifications, price, and at the end of the video I am going to compare this device with Redmi Note 5 Pro and Mi A1. So you can get what type of upgradation Xiaomi is going to do with this device. So first let's start from the design. Design wise the device looks almost identical to Redmi Note 5 Pro. At the back side you will get the same dual camera vertical layout. Even at the front side you will get the 18:9 aspect ratio display like Redmi Note 5 Pro. The device is only 7.3mm thick, that means it's a very slim device. You will get headphone jack. Even this device will come with USB-C type port. Display. In display segment, the device is going to have 5.99-inch Full HD Plus panel. And the display is the 18:9 aspect ratio display which is covered by 2.5D curved glass. Now there is an interesting thing in the processor. As per rumor, the device is going to come with Snapdragon 636 SoC, or the device may have the Xiaomi's Surge S2 chipset. Then the device is going to have an octa-core CPU with 4 Cortex A73 cores running at 2.2 GHz and other 4 Cortex A53 at 1.8 GHz. And with this chipset, the GPU is going to be Mali G71 MP8. And I hope this processor may perform like Snapdragon 636, maybe. This is the all new processor from Xiaomi, and if they use this processor in Mi A2, so we have to check how this device is going to perform. According to RAM and storage segment, the device is going to be available in two variants, a 4GB RAM variant and 6GB RAM variant, and in 64 and 128GB internal storage variant respectively. And the good thing is the storage can be expandable via microSD card up to 128GB. Now let's talk about the cameras. At the front side, the device is going to have a 20 megapixel selfie shooter, and at the back side there is going to be dual rear camera setup, but still now there is no clear reports about the megapixel of the rear cameras. In the rear camera, the second lens may be a 2x optical zoom lens or maybe a depth sensor lens. But in future, if there is any update or reports in camera segment, I will mention that in the comment section below. And don't worry, I will pin that comment. In operating system, you are going to enjoy stock Android experience, and with this device you are going to test Android 8.1 Oreo. And finally, to run all these features, the device packs a 2910 mAh battery. According to leaks, the battery capacity is very less, but I hope in the future they may increase the battery, and I hope they will use more than 3000 mAh battery. Though there is no leaks about the pricing of the device, but according to RAM and storage variant, the device may be priced around 15,000 to 16,000 rupees in India. And the good thing is with Xiaomi Mi A2, Xiaomi is going to bring 8 color variants of the device. There will be black, rose gold, white, blue, red, pink, grey and silver. And don't worry, when the device will launch in India, you will not get this device in flash sale. Now let's compare this device with Redmi Note 5 Pro and Mi A1. And let's check what type of upgraded features we are going to get with this device. Number 1. Mi A2 is going to be slimmer than Redmi Note 5 Pro. And less battery capacity means slim device, and the device is going to be lighter than Redmi Note 5 Pro. Number 2. In operating system, Redmi Note 5 is going to have stock Android 8.1 Oreo, whereas Redmi Note 5 is still running on Android Nougat. Number 3. Here is a minus point in battery segment of Mi A2, and you get massive 4000 mAh battery in Redmi Note 5 Pro. But I think Xiaomi will use more than 3000 mAh battery in Mi A2. Number 4. Mi A2 is going to have USB Type-C port, whereas Redmi Note 5 Pro is still lagging with micro USB port. Number 5. In rear camera video recording, Mi A2 is going to have 4K recording, whereas Redmi Note 5 Pro has Full HD recording capability in rear camera. Number 6. According to leaks and rumors, Xiaomi may use their brand new Surge S2 chipset in Mi A2. So you may get a different chipset from Redmi Note 5 Pro. Number 7. Mi A2 is going to available in 8 color variants, whereas Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro has limited color variants. Now if we compare with Mi A1, here you will get 18:9 aspect ratio display, you will get better front camera with 20 megapixel, you will get EIS image stabilization in video recording, you may get a brand new chipset, and you are going to get a brand new looks with this device. Friends, as this video is based on current rumors and leaked reports, so the features and specification may change in future, and if there is any change or update in features and specifications, I'll mention that in the comment section below. And don't worry, I'll pin that comment and you can check that comment anytime. So that's pretty much it, friend. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and obviously hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next video. So tada friends, bye bye, have a nice day.